Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to move messages to spam in Facebook Messenger. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Facebook Messenger, and here in the chat section we can see all the chats we have on our account. And for example, I don't like the message from this guy in the recent messages, and I want to move them to spam. So if I hold his chat for a while, I can see some options that I can do with this chat. So I can mark as read, mute, archive, or simply delete. But as you can see, there is no option to move it to spam because Facebook Messenger does not support moving to spam as for now. So basically, all we have to do is, if we want to move to spam, is to simply slide this chat to the left, and we will see these two options, more and archive. We need to click on the more button and click on restrict. So basically, restrict does just the same as a spam. It restricts this person from spamming us some messages, and he won't be able to send us any messages anymore. And basically, that is it. That is how we can move messages to spam in Facebook Messenger. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.